Shubor na Khlem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke National People Party Kalayok Bantau ya ke Executive Committee Hajante Hills District Council hadin ka jingwan penisno laingut ki MDC ka United Democratic Party but arngut ki MDC Independent but ka National People Party khat laingut ka long hadu khat prangut habakren Shekilat Pathai Khubor na kalyang u National General Secretary ka NPP uba Sniawbhalang dar ula ai khuble ye ki padba ka jantia ki bala kershan ban Punjab ya ka National People Party hadu khat laingut ki MDC Habayadei bat kajing Kynnoh bagi Pyndonkam da kabor na kalyang uba Sniawbhalang dhar ulo ong kumnu kin Kynnoh kumta haba na kalyang ka jongki haba ka VPP ka job khatnyo ngut ki Khlem Kynnoh bagi Pyndonkam da kabor ulo ong ru ban na kalyang ka sarkar kadang persyang ban penbet habayadei bat kajing ka baki nong trei ki batrei haji HADC ki mat khamtam habayadei bat ka tulop
election ni kamusel power kampu don kipai ba tuan tebut ya kabut boborom so namanya khalai sit murdu is musel power the pila ke musel power lay for small example give you pigin by so yeng yo tu rong ba sang berim dengan arwan hantu lagi depan yang berkikin is musel power disebut ki job khanyo sit dengan orang ki use musel power no we respect the mandate why we should blame each other we have to respect the mandate to people Hasil ki job khanyo sini kelamo use muscle power. Ring job khalai ko use muscle power, that is wrong. And kum kunuk sale min bro sime to acceptment ng namo kami athi asu don bag baga di trebhaj district admission like thau mukli kami sa ni kon kiti. Now we are 14. 13 is NPP. Yesterday one independent match. We are 14 now, and 3 is the UDP. 17. One is independent. Mamun like parade. So now we are 18. Let's see. Let us finish the first phase first. So we are trying to address this issue as a government. We are trying to address this issue properly.
That the employees of the district council will get regular salary?
It should be, so we are trying to address it nicely because financial crisis is always there in the council. So we are trying to work in such a manner that in future it should be okay. Maybe not immediately, but we are